energy. Quick one. I come leave this guy for you right now. Take care of him. This guy, the things they do, hey, keep quiet. If this guy will sleep at night, you know they care if you are sleeping or not. And then
I just want to
sometimes around 12 a.m., 1 a.m. Today, please take care of him. Please.
Charlie, guys. There are a lot of things we take for granted but can be potentially dangerous, and snoring is one of them. Snoring alone is not a disease. Sometimes we all do snore when we are tired. Sometimes depending on our sleeping posture and all that.
That's what I do.
But the problem comes in when you snore chronically, consistently, you are loud and all that. That can actually point to a medical condition called obstructive sleep apnea.
Obstructive what?
Where the muscles in your upper airway can collapse and then make the airway narrow. Sometimes can even block it entirely, such that you can stop breathing. It's estimated that some people can even stop breathing about 100 times in their sleep.
Hey!
Yes. And the funny thing is that you don't even know what is happening to your body once you have stopped breathing and all. So your body is fighting hard to keep you alive. Your body is fighting hard to keep you alive. And then you end up tired even after you have slept and all that. It can also even lead to some medical conditions, heart attack, hypertension, all these things because of consistent snoring or because of obstructive sleep apnea.
Doctor, but sometimes it's helpful to us because we don't no longer use our phones as alarm. And at 5:30.
We have crying machine. Doctor, please, how can I stop snoring?
Yes.
Okay,
we bad. Only you.
You see, if the snoring comes with a disease condition, it will be important to go and see the ear, nose, and throat specialist so that they will pay particular attention to what is happening. I have a friend who is very good at it. I'll actually let you go and see him.
Let me go and see him.
But if it is physiological, as in there are no disease conditions and all that, then we may have to help you with your sleeping posture and then your stress during the day and all that. But I mean, we should not take snoring for granted.
So are you going to keep him here? So you have to deal with him because he can't go home. Otherwise, phobia a year or high spinners, it will crash. So I can take
So I will see you again.
What are you looking for? I'm to see if I can.
I got you.